Welcome, fellow travelers, to an immersive 10-day travel itinerary through the heart of Italy. Join me as we explore ancient ruins, savor delectable cuisine, and immerse ourselves in the rich culture that defines this beautiful country. Day 1. Arrival in Rome. Begin your journey in the eternal city of Rome. Explore the historic Colosseum, and explore the Roman Forum. Stroll through the charming streets of Trastevere. Capture the sunset at the iconic Trevi Fountain. Day 2. Vatican City. Spend the day exploring the treasures of Vatican City. Visit St. Peter's Basilica and climb to the top. For panoramic views, explore the Vatican museums. Explore the Sistine Chapel. Day 3. Florence, the cradle of Renaissance. Take a high-speed train to Florence. Visit the Florence Cathedral. Climb the Duomo for breathtaking views. Explore the Uffizi Gallery for a dose of Renaissance art. Day 4. Tuscany Day Trip. Embark on a day trip to the picturesque Tuscan countryside. Visit a local winery for wine tasting and a traditional Tuscan lunch. Explore the charming town of San Gimignano. Day 5. Venice, the city of canals. Head to Venice via train or car. Take a gondola ride along the Grand Canal. Visit St. Mark's Square. Visit Dogs Palace. Day 6. Murano and Burano Islands. Explore the colorful island of Burano, known for its vibrant houses. Visit Murano to witness the artistry of glassblowing. Enjoy a relaxing evening back in Venice. Day 7. Cinque Terre. Travel to the stunning Cinque Terre on the Italian Riviera. Hike along the scenic trails, connecting the 5 picturesque villages. Capture the sunset over the Ligurian Sea. Day 8. Amalfi Coast. Head south to the Amalfi Coast. Explore Positano's charming streets and enjoy the beach. Drive or take a boat ride along the breathtaking coastal road. Day 9. Pompeii and Mount Vesuvius. Visit the ancient ruins of Pompeii, frozen in time by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius. Hike to the summit of Mount Vesuvius for panoramic views of the Bay of Naples. Day 10. Departure from Naples. Conclude your journey with a morning visit to Naples. Explore the historic center and indulge in authentic Neapolitan pizza. Depart from Naples with memories of an unforgettable Italian adventure. End the video with a compilation of the most breathtaking moments from your 10-day Italy itinerary. Like, subscribe, and share their favorite parts of the journey.